So just went out to push some calories, and what do you call it? When I came back, it, slight there was a very normal rain, today. For the breeze, the dust, and a normal rain. So when I went out to have my calories, when I came back, so I met two of the guards. I asked him where is Bhola, the guard who always is in our building. So I asked that guard, where is he? So he said, look, he went to the Ryan. So me and that guard also came with me, chal, let's go. So me and that guard went to near that Bhola, and I informed him that the car, the online shows that you are the owner of the car. Take the keys. Directly take the keys. So people are planning to take the keys now. The car is bought on Bola's name, na Baba, from stolen money. Bola, no? So everyone are planning to take those keys now. Stolen bank money it is. Yeah. Everyone is after that car. So it's a noise out there. Stolen money car. The car is going to bring nothing but shame. So it's a stolen money car. If this two beduk, they cannot afford a sleepers and they are buying car. They must be stitching flip flops and they are buying a car. What nonsense is this? So I went near the and my guard, the one more guard was with me. Surveillance, you can see which building I can't tell. The guard says it's Ryan. So where is it? What's the way? It's very it's a maze over here. You cannot. Already I am a road amnesiac, so I took the guard with me, and I said let's go to Bola. Then I informed Bola, look, the car is been bought by your name. He got shocked. He was giving his last name. Yes, did the last name show? No, I didn't know, but I chose only Bhola Prasad. So everyone are gonna say that the car is bought on their name now. Online, everyone are putting their names on that car, on that registration. Come on, it's a stolen money car. Who is not going to take advantage of it? Huh? Go fuck yourself. You fuck to yourself. Imagine a car is making such a noise. Imagine a content. What will happen? Files are viral. I don't do copyright. There will be fights. Even if I don't do copyright, there will be fights. And if I do the copyrights on the country, legal thing will happen. And if court makes wrong decision, their ass is fucked. Same thing happens like whatever happened to me, to the artist production and the scammers and the fake bank account transaction. The country does the same to them. Everyone who has the files does the same to them. Tracked and be nasty with them. So imagine such a car, it's a 10 lakh rupees car, maybe a 10 lakh. So it's making such a noise. मेरे नाम से लिया है क्या, मेरे उसके नाम से लिया है क्या, इसके नाम से लिया है क्या, बिकॉज इट्स a stolen money car. Yeah, imagine the content. Have fun. I'll have mine after the 24.